Okay, dokie. So when you log into Hetzner, I better move my face out of the way. When you log into Hetzner, you'll be in the console. You won't see this. This is actually this is the project that the whole previous school was actually based on, which I've now actually just completely got rid of it. So you want to really hit new projects, and I'm going to call this simply training. You just add a project to it, and when you go into it, it says create a resource, and you've got lots of different choices. And to be honest, it is a server that I want to create. You can go over here and select server. I'll just do it from over there, and everything else I don't care about. I don't care about floating IPs, all the thing. All right, so I want cost optimized, and it gives me these absolutely lovely cost optimized things. What am I at? €6, €6.5, 20, 4 gigabyte RAM. That is very decent, right? If I select the ARM64, and we've got to hunt a bit. And the reason we have to hunt a bit is they're running out of resources. I love Helsinki. The reason I love it Helsinki is there's so much available. I can see the ARM64. No, and I've still got the CX23. This is 4 gigabytes, is massive. More than you could possibly need to do all the really interesting stuff you want to do. And even that 16 gigabyte is really good. And I'm just gonna, nobody else is available because they're cost optimized. And you want Ubuntu 26.04. And again, it's an operating system. It really doesn't matter what it is in terms of its name. I love it. It's Linux. I've been using Linux since the 1980s, late 1980s or something like that. But you just keep it. You're not touching anything. You got all this networking stuff. Don't leave it. SSH keys. It says use SSH keys for secure and efficient authentication. Yes. All right. However, it's a bit complicated, and we really want to set up everything first. And once you get everything going, you think, do you know what? I'm going to try SSH. And the agent you will create can do it for you. So if you don't select this, so you add SSH key, we don't, and it will receive that you'll get the password. The root means the person who's the boss, who's in charge of everything. And you'll get it by email, and it's perfectly fine. All right, volumes. This is storage. All right, firewalls, placement groups, labels, cloud, and the name. All right. Now, I am literally going to just leave it the way it is. And I can just click on create and buy, and we're done. All right. And there we go. We're up and running. And there is your public IP address. Okay. And that's the one we're going to use. I didn't even change its name. I just left it. But that's what I'm interested in. And there you go. The 2 minute sell for you setting up your own server.